Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday the 30th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stop analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.1. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.92% since we first identified Palantir as a buy candidate 32 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.06% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further gains within this trajectory. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 62.53% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between 32.26% and 73.77%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around 217.91%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 117.63% and 273.67% over the next year. This would imply a future price likely to fall between $286.79 and $492.42. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, "Strong day for Palantir stock price on Friday, rising by 7.73% to $131.78. The Palantir stock price gained 7.73% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 30th of May, 2025, rising from $122.32 to $131.78. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.49%. with a low of $122.75 and a high of $131.94. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.86% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 120 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 182 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $24 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of stock reached $133.49, while the lowest price was $21.01. Currently, the price is 1.28%, or $1.71, below the 52-week high of $133.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has experienced a significant increase in its stock price recently, with shares rising approximately 7.7% today alone. This surge can be attributed to the company's expanding involvement in the defense sector, underscored by noteworthy comments from co-founder Joe Lonsdale regarding the essential role of artificial intelligence in defense. Such developments position Palantir favorably in an industry increasingly dependent on advanced data analytics and artificial intelligence capabilities. Additionally, reports indicate that the Trump administration has officially chosen Palantir as a primary data analysis partner for government operations. This broadened relationship not only enhances the company's revenue prospects, but also elevates its visibility and credibility in the market. Palantir's technology is becoming essential as government agencies seek to leverage data effectively. The proposed construction of a Golden Dome defense system could further increase demand for Palantir's services, aligning perfectly with their technology designed for robust defense solutions. Such governmental support is likely to strengthen investor confidence in the stock, presenting both short-term and long-term growth potential. In the current environment, where investments in artificial intelligence are expected to surge, Palantir's strategic initiatives position it at the forefront of this transformative wave in technology. With strong connections to defense and government, the company is well equipped to capitalize on future advancements in artificial intelligence, potentially leading to sustained appreciation in stock price over time. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating, accompanied by a hold recommendation. On the same date, Cantor Fitzgerald also rated PLTR as neutral with a hold recommendation. Additionally, RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform rating, recommending a hold action. Loop Capital Markets provided a more favorable outlook, giving PLTR a buy rating alongside a hold action. Lastly, Deutsche Bank issued a sell rating for PLTR while recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal reflecting the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of price corrections downward, there will be some support at $123.92 and $113.82. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, May 6, 2025, and so far the stock has risen by 21.05%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence the near-term development. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 48 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 37 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, 37 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 237 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $128.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $9.19 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.49%. For the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 14 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $128.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Buckley Jeffrey, who bought and sold 1,776 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 18.932. In total, insiders acquired 6,846,426 shares and sold 10,197,694 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $126.01, reflecting a decline of 4.38%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. There is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 17 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir displays several positive indicators and is currently within a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we consider it a favorable option at these current levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been revised from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of June, we expect Palantir to begin lower by $2.96, opening at $128.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.